that there might be an obstruction of some sort in the pool filter, making this radical noise. I've not done any troubleshooting on this before, but we're gonna give it a go and hopefully not batch it up too well. Let's turn it off. So looking in here, I don't see any obvious obstruction, but I know that I can undo this here. But the problem, which isn't a problem, is I don't want a bunch of water leaking. So I've got this little plug here and it's supposed to go on here, but give me a second. We're gonna attach this to the pool here. To hold it, that's great. That's what we're gonna do right now. A little indicator telling you which way to go to unlock it. There it is. Looking at the pool filter, I'm not seeing any obvious obstruction here. Just put it all back together, right? 3 easy steps. All right, so we took the obstruction away. We got water here. Manually, via some blowing and huffing and puffing on the pipes here to try to remove any debris from this solar heater, which we have a lot of just tree debris and that kind of gets in here. So it's potential that it might have obstructed the whole system here. But now that things are drained and hopefully clean, we're gonna turn it back on, see what happens. So what I did notice is connecting the pump again, it's not really a solid connection down there. It's probably me, but I'm just not feeling that it's that well connected here. And so it's back on. It's still making all this racket. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to feel for any water that might be coming through this way. And I'm not feeling a whole lot of water. I'm also not seeing this stuff suction down. So it could be we have a bad motor. That's possible. I don't know. But this is just a multi-part series, I guess. We're going to try to troubleshoot this and get things figured out. Now, an FYI, this is it. This is the SFX1000 Pool Pump SkimmerPlus. Yeah, and I just looked, and the replacement cost for this filter is $125 on Amazon. So I don't know if we're going to be getting another one here. So yeah, more to follow on this. But don't fret, all is not lost. There was a time before pool filters and pumps and all that good stuff. It's called get in there with a broom, with a net, and sweep all this stuff out yourself. That's what I did whenever I was a kid. So the pool is not completely off limits. Well, here we are about an hour later, and I've determined that it's probably the motor because it's back on. I've taken it apart. I have reassembled it, and FYI, getting this gasket that is inside here to reapply the little neck screw is a bit thick with it to place on, so you probably could benefit from having additional hands here. The other potential problem could be this solar heater, which is aftermarket, requiring a lot more force, I'm guessing, from this pump. Number 3 would be this filter is not always connected here, and we have a lot of debris. So that's just kind of the nature of the beast, I guess. So it's not sucking any of that water in. It's making noise, so I'm assuming that is a bad motor. So I will see if getting a new motor for this is reasonable, and if so, then you can expect a part 2 of this video. Otherwise, there you go for this troubleshooting of this SkimmerPlus pool filter by the Polygroup Summerwaves active frame pool. Thank you.